How to reset the app drawer layout. This tutorial shows you how to restore your app drawer back to its default arrangement. First, touch and hold on an empty area of your home screen. After that, tap on Home Settings. From there, look for App Drawer within this menu. At this point, tap on it to see the available layout options. In the next step, check if a reset or default option is listed here. Following this, tap on it to restore the default drawer arrangement if available. Once done, keep in mind if no direct reset option exists, you'll need to manually undo folders by dragging apps back out individually instead. From here, to do this, open your app drawer, then tap and hold on any folder you created. At this stage, drag each app back onto the main drawer grid to break the folder apart. Keep in mind, repeat this for every folder you'd like removed, since there's no single button to undo all custom folders at once. Finally, exit back to your home screen once your app drawer reflects the layout you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset the app drawer layout, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.